Hi everyone, it's James here from Production Expert, back at Woodworm Studios in Oxfordshire with the man, the mountain, Mr. Mike Exeter. It's a good thing, really.
Kilimanjaro.
Yeah, something like that. With another microphone technique for miking up guitar cabinets. We have a Laney combo here, and we have a new technique, or certainly it's a technique that's new to me, using the new WA-84s. This is not a stereo technique, though, isn't it? Even though it's using two microphones.
Exactly. A friend of mine showed me this years and years ago using 257s. And it's kind of like what we do with the 4x12, using two microphones to pick up the entire cone. Again, it's less phase problematic because we're just on one cone. But one of them's pointing kind of just off center again. So that's picking up all the high mid, high frequency stuff, and the other one's off axis pointing at sort of the body of the cone. And I just again bring them up on the desk, pop one out of phase, get them so they're cancelling as much as possible, pop it back in. And I've done it for years with 57s, but you always end up EQing the bus that you're going down, whereas these are just so full range, and because of the cost of them, you can afford to have two and do it with a condenser. And these pick up a tremendous amount of low end because they're small diaphragm.
Yeah, it sounds really, really cool.
Yeah,
so once again, we have Jacob in to play some of that there guitar. Yep. We're running it through a phase 90 as well to give that kind of big, spacey...
just to give it some modulation. It's a quieter section. It doesn't need to be a 4x12 kind of big cab thing. It's a different section. We want the guitar to draw attention to itself in the track, but be a bit quieter. So it's a production decision. We're even printing it through the DI. So if we do come to reamp, it's got the phase 90 on it.
This is a really cool technique. Mike, simple one. Thank you, sir.
My pleasure.
Love this. I'm going to be using this a lot when I get back to my place.
Great.
But for now, my name's James Ivy, and I'll see you again very soon for some more gear talk.